9 Clever Handbag Storage Ideas. Cubbies are excellent for storing various sizes of handbags if you have the space to install them. If you don't have space for cubbies, simply storing handbags in plastic bins that you tuck in a closet or under a bed can be a good way to keep them protected and organized. The best part about Cubbies and Bins is there are plenty of options on the market. So finding something in the right size and style is almost guaranteed. Hooks are an easy way to store bags if the layout of your space allows for them. You can place hooks on doors, with the inside of a closet door being a prime spot. You also can mount hooks in a row on the wall to keep your bags visible and within easy reach. Just make sure to keep the bags hanging neatly if they're not behind a closed door. And don't hang them somewhere you'll often bump into them. There are several products that let you hang bags vertically. For instance, an organizer like a purse file will keep multiple handbags in line. You can also store bags vertically on a door with a rack. This is a great space-saving method of storing totes and handbags. Holders designed for other items can work for handbags as well. For example, slim bags that won't slouch over can slip into magazine holders. Other types of organizers that can hold handbags include file folders and hatboxes. And of course, you can always store small bags inside larger ones to keep them protected and all in one place. Like magazine holders, shelf dividers also can keep handbags upright and separated. They are a good choice if you have lots of shelf space in a closet. Shelf dividers are an excellent way to allow you to see your entire handbag collection all at once, including the small bags that otherwise might get piled in a storage container. Shower curtain rings are an inexpensive and simple storage solution for handbags. Just attach the rings to a closet rod, and hang the bag straps from them. Hanging bags from their handles usually forces them into a sideways position, so you'll be able to line up their narrowest parts to save space. However, this hack isn't recommended for heavy bags, as it can put too much long-term stress on the straps and wear them out. If you're currently storing folded clothing on the top shelf of your closet, consider swapping it for your handbags instead. It can be difficult to see what's in a pile of clothes on a high shelf and reach what you need without disrupting the whole stack. But it's much easier to take inventory of handbags on the shelf and grab what you need without pulling everything else down. You can always keep clothing in drawers or an under-the-bed storage container. Some handbags are too pretty to be hidden inside a closet. Instead, consider displaying them on a wall shelf. You can install just one floating shelf or a group of shelves to hold your favorite bags and give you easy access to them. This serves both as a storage solution and decor piece in the space. There are many wall shelf size and style options to suit your storage needs and fit seamlessly with your existing decor. If you don't want to install wall shelving, you always can store handbags on a bookcase. This storage solution is a good option if you don't have existing built-in shelving in a closet for your bags, and there are many bookcase sizes to fit your needs. To keep your handbags standing upright, you can use shelf dividers. Or you can simply stuff them with tissue paper for support. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.